Here's a recipe for delicious banana cookies. Take 4 ripe bananas. Overripe ones work best for this recipe. Mash them until puree, or you can blend the bananas with the help of a blender. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar if you prefer more sweet cookies. Add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat flour instead. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 3 tablespoons melted butter. 1 tablespoon chopped nuts and some choco chips. It's totally optional. Mix everything well. Combine into a dough. Do not overknead. Just bring everything together. It will be slightly sticky, but that's okay. Take some dough and shape cookies. Apply some oil on the palms to shape the cookies easily. Place on a greased baking dish. Make all the cookies similarly. Preheat oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes, then pop these cookies in and bake for 25 minutes. Banana cookies are baked well after 25 minutes. Let these cool completely. Take some melted chocolate of your choice and dip the cookies from one side as shown in the video. Until then, quickly hit that like button and subscribe to my channel Delicacies and DIY so that you never miss any of my videos. Also click on the little notification bell and select all. Refrigerate these chocolate coated banana cookies for 10 to 15 minutes so that the chocolate layer sets properly. Enjoy these yummy banana cookies with a cup of coffee or tea or just as a snack. Do try these delicious banana cookies and comment down below how you liked it. I would love to know from you.